We are pleased to show you the 2016 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, remote engine start, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with the full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.